Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are we all doing? I hope you're fine and dandy. Sorry if you can hear noise, that's just my washing machine going. It just had to be done. What can you do? So what have I got for you today? Well, it is this month's little known box. What do you think is inside? I don't know. I haven't looked at all at anything, so you're going to have to find out with me. If you want to find out what is inside this month's box, then you need to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these unboxing videos. Hit that subscribe button, join my High Def family. You can ring the notification bell so you know when I upload. Of course, you can share this video because little known stuff needs to be more widely known, doesn't it? Okay, let's get into the video. Little Known Box's monthly subscription box that costs $14.95 plus $3.75 P&P. You can buy older versions of this box and you can get some for half price if you want one like right now that's an old one, and then you wait for the next one as it arrives, which is good if you just can't wait for your little known items. I also have a discount code which is A Life in High Def if you want to get a discount off your first box. Why not? Don't pay more when you don't have to. That's what I always say. So should we have a look at what's inside? I've always quite liked my little known boxes. I don't think last month was my favourite because it had some small sample things, but overall they've been pretty good. They are slightly more expensive, so you have to kind of like the items a bit more. However, I have always found them really interesting. So let's get into it. Here's your little known box for April. This month we're bringing you a wide selection of product types to try throughout the spring season. 2 full-size makeup products, a skincare product, a bath and shower product, plus 2 body products. Until next time, enjoy discovering this month's brands and products. Helen and the little known box team. It's a bit hard to see what's in there, so let's just go for it. Right, what is this? Noble Isle, the New Tradition Golden Harvest Bubble Bath and Shower Gel. Ooh. Looks shiny and posh. Gotta have a sniff. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. Right, what is this? Never heard of this brand. In 2011, 4 founders came together to create a quintessentially British brand. They combined the finest fragrance and natural extracts with the best of design. Sorry, I'm gonna put that down, my arm hurts. To create a luxurious collection of unisex bath, body and home fragrance products. During the creation of Noble Isle, the founders travelled throughout the British Isles to source authentic ingredients that celebrate the natural riches of England, Scotland, Ireland and Wales. Noble Isle's lotions and washes feature natural extracts from celebrated producers including rhubarb from Yorkshire, sea oak from Ireland, malted barley from Scotland and beetroot from Wales. The Golden Harvest Bubble Bath and Shower Gel gently cleanses the cleanses the skin and adds a little luxury to your shower or bath. Noble Isle described the gorgeous Golden Harvest collection as an aromatic golden fruit, earthy woods and musk fine fragrance combined with antioxidant English grape extract. The Bubble Bath and Shower Gel smells of refreshing apple and grape. Yeah, it's true. It's a delightful spring summer scent. I love a shower or a bath, but I shower, so this is going to come in handy and it smells delicious. Makes me feel rich smelling things like this. Next up, let's try this. This is another Noble Isle product, but a bit smaller. It's a body hydrator. It says a glorious blend of fruits of the vine embellished with a fizz of juniper berry and antioxidant grape extract. If this is a moisturiser, then it's a bit small. 30 ml. It says travel size again, but the other one's much bigger. To complete your bath or shower experience, lather skin in Golden Harvest Body Hydrator after using the Golden Harvest Shower Gel. The Golden Harvest Body Hydrator is a light cooling and intensely hydrating body moisturiser that leaves the skin feeling cool, soft and plumped. Okay, well, this is nice, but I would rather have had the sizes switched around, as moisturiser does not go as far as shower gel. Like, I have a reasonable sized body. I need a lot of moisturiser. Smells the same. Right. It's quite, I don't know, loose, liquidy. I don't know what the word is. So, okay, it does spread reasonably far, but still. I'm a bit sad those two aren't swapped the other way around, but this does feel nice. You know I don't really like scented moisturisers that much, but I'm going to give it a go on my body, and if not, I will use it on my hands. And I love a hand moisturiser. Like, that smells amazing. Right, I just had to have a little snack break because my lunch was ready. or breakfast or something. I don't know, but I was bloody hungry. Anyway, back to the beauty box. Let's have a look at this. What is it? It's tiny. Indigenous Beauty Uplifting Orange and Grapefruit Natural Deodorant Cream. This is a travel size natural deodorant. Indigenous beauty products created using high quality ingredients and offer purer, natural alternatives to mainstream beauty products. The safe, effective products are entirely natural and free from chemicals including aluminum, parabens, synthetic fragrances and alcohol. We love that Indigenous beauty products are vegan, cruelty-free and handmade in small batches using natural certified organic ingredients. The unisex natural deodorant creams are available in 3 scents: soothing, refreshing and uplifting. Made using only 7 ingredients, they contain organic virgin olive oil, organic virgin coconut oil, organic unrefined shea butter and organic essential oils. The 5ml natural deodorant is perfect for putting in your gym bag or handbag and using on the go. Okay, I've never tried a deodorant from a pot, but I suppose it's just a stick deodorant, isn't it? But in a pot. I will let you know how it goes. Not sure how I feel about this. I guess I will just rub a bit on my underarms, but it would have been nice for it to be even in a lipstick kind of shaped tube or something, so that it would be easier to apply rather than get it on your fingers. But hey, it's something. Oh, I have another one of the deodorants in lavender and vanilla. Okay, well, that makes me a little happier because I have 2 of these. So, yeah, that'll last longer, obviously. You can really smell the lavender. It's just like a white cream. Yeah, like a waxy cream. Feels slightly rough when I rub it in. And it smells delightfully of lavender. That's really nice, actually. I feel like I've just walked past a fresh bush of it. Of course, I will let you know if it actually works as deodorant. Okay, something from Cougar, because I haven't had enough Cougar products lately. And it's a 24-hour liquid lipstick in one of these nudie pinky colours that are so popular. There's 5 colours in the collection, which look like this. And I, of course, have the colour that is my least favourite. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. A lot of people love this colour. I was just wearing this colour before. Well, not this exact colour, but a similar colour. It just doesn't show as well on me as the brighter colours do, that's all. Just like that. I'm trying to find a bit I didn't put deodorant on. Looks like that. So it's kind of like a brownie, pinky, nudie colour. Smells really tasty. That's nice. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, that makes me like it a lot more. Cougar Beauty 24-hour liquid lipstick creates long-lasting and bold lip. The liquid lipsticks are formulated to be quick drying and non-smudging, full coverage but hydrating at the same time. There are 5 strong shades in the range, including Cocoa, the Perfect Nude Brown, which this probably is, Mulberry, a sultry seductive plum shade, and Candy, a striking bright pink. The Cougar Beauty range has been formulated and designed for those who enjoy high quality products. Cougar Beauty bring you new, innovative, edgy products and formulas completely manufactured in the UK, and ingredients are sourced locally. Cougar are passionate about preserving the earth for future generations and only ever use cruelty-free formulas that are never tested on animals. Now we have something wrapped up, and this is the last of the official items. Oh, this is something that I'll like. So this is from Maison Meunier, or Meunier, Paris. Purifying face mask with green tea and damask rose. And it just looks like a kind of grey colour. Born in Paris and handcrafted in Manchester, Maison Meunier search for and blend the very best vegan and organic ingredients to create products that will complement your lifestyle in the most natural way possible. They're obsessed with finding the best vegan-friendly, plant-based raw materials to create high-quality, effective products. This month we've included a Maison Meunier Purifying Face Mask in green tea and damask rose, perfect if your skin still needs a nourishing pick-me-up after the long winter. The mineral-rich Dead Sea mud in the Purifying Face Mask gently draws out oil and toxins from the pores. The added plant extracts and hyaluronic acid help to nourish and moisturise, leaving your skin radiant and smooth. The Purifying Face Mask is vegan, cruelty-free and made in the UK. It's free from parabens, SLS, PEGs, petroleum, phthalates, artificial fragrance and colours. Put it on and leave for 10 minutes onto clean dry skin. Use once a week or a skin pick-me-up when needed. Wow, this is literally full to the brim. Oh, it has quite a nice scent. What's it supposed to smell like again? Damask rose and green tea. Well, I get a light florally scent, but it kind of reminds me of Swizzle Sweets or something, or like the purple ones. What are they called? Parma Violets, but not as strong as Parma Violets. But along that line. Yeah, that's nice. You know me, I love a face mask. This is going to be a testing video. Last but not least, we have this, which is actually a bonus product. It's, hold on, dishwasher. Sorry, the washing machine has just gone crazy, but it's been doing it for so long, I just have to finish this video. So, bonus item in this box is this, Nudes Eyeshadows by Technic. So, it's nice to get a bonus item, nice to get another makeup product. I guess this is like a full-size mini palette type thing. Shall we have a look at the shades, see if it's any good? I don't know why we're getting a bonus item, but it's good. Even though it is Technic, so obviously Technic is one of the cheaper makeup items on the market, but I guess we just need to see how it swatches. So I'm just going to do the first three, a little bit powdery. They all like shimmers. So they are shimmers. They are, yeah, a bit powdery, but even when I've just rubbed them out a bit, they're still there, they're still shining. So you've got like a pink, a gold and a white. And the last three, there's one, I think all shimmers in fact, I think actually. Even the black, I think, is shimmery. So you've got a sort of, I don't know, goldeny brown. What is that? That's supposed to be more brown, but I don't know. You know, well, you can see, these are the colours. So I guess a more pinky, reddy, pinky goldy colour, bronzy colour and black. Maybe that one's not shimmer actually. It looked very slightly shimmery in the pan, but actually on my hand it definitely looks more, you know, it has a bit of a shimmer to it. Not exactly a shimmer, but I don't know, what is the word? Anyway, these are the colours and they're actually better than I thought. I think I'm going to enjoy this more than my last Technic item that I received. Actually a really nice bonus item. I mean, it's probably not that expensive, but it doesn't matter if it works. I'm going to do an add up and I'll be back. There is something so good about getting your pyjama bottoms on and just being more comfortable. Right, so I am back with the grand total and a couple of extra things that I missed off. To do this grand total, I have guesstimated that this is a 30ml sample. I don't know, I weighed it, it was 66 grams, and I don't know, I'm guessing the jar is about half, so that's why I went for 30, and that's when I added it up. You can use the code LKBOX15 on screen at the website for 15% discount to be used before the 22nd of May, site-wide, one use per customer with no minimum purchase, which is nice. So go ahead, use it, buy lots of things if you want. Doesn't do anything for me, but for you it does if you want. And this does smell good. That is it. Okay, so the total value of this box is £33.59, which is not quite double the cost of the box. You know I like it to be at least double the cost of the box, so that's a bit of a downer. And it's $35.31 if you include the Technic palette, but do I like the products inside? So actually there's nothing in this box I won't use. It's 100% user friendly, which is surprising, but yeah, nice. I mean surprising just overall for beauty boxes, not for this one particularly. I think I am actually really happy with everything in here. I mean, yes, a few different sizes or shapes of things would be nice, like a small deodorant stick version. I mean, I don't know whether it comes in a pot the whole time. I should probably look that up. Let me look that up. So just popped it onto the website to check the deodorant to see if it did come in a stick kind of form, and it doesn't. They only come in like glass jars, so I couldn't have anything really different if I wanted to. It actually does come in 5ml jars on the website, so if you wanted to try a week's worth, which is what 5ml will do, You can go onto the website and order it for £1.50 and see if it's something you would like. Vegan and cruelty free and made from natural things, which means anyone can try it for a trial price rather than having to dive right in with a giant pot. I'm really happy I'm going to use everything. There's nothing I'm going to put in a giveaway, and I think this is a pretty nice box actually this month. My only gripe really is that the moisturiser sample should have been a bit bigger, because I got a big body, but hey, maybe not everyone does. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it let you know all about little known box for this month, and that you discovered some new products, because I certainly did. Let me know down below what you think of the box and whether you would get one. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys!